Hi, and welcome to the F1 Christmas Bake Off special. In these videos, I'm going to be making some Christmas bakes from around the world. This week, I'm making some Swedish ginger biscuits, which are called Pepparkakor, I think. Pepparkakor. That's how you spell it. No idea how you pronounce it. These are very special ginger biscuits because these are Santa Claus's favourite biscuits in the entire world. So let's get cooking. This recipe will make about 30 biscuits. Into a bowl you need to add 125 grams of butter and 150 grams of sugar, and then take your electric whisk and beat them together. Once you've mixed the butter and sugar together, you need to add 1 egg and 1.5 tablespoons of golden syrup. And here's a tip to get the golden syrup off your spoon. If you cover it with boiling hot water, it will make the spoon slippery and the syrup will just slide off. Once you've added the egg and the golden syrup, take your whisk and mix it up. Into a separate bowl, put 188 grams of plain flour, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/2 a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 a teaspoon of ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, mixed spice, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves. And then take a spoon and mix it all together. Then simply add the flour and the spice mixture to your eggs, butter, sugar and golden syrup mixture and knead into a dough. After 2 hours, you need to preheat the oven to 180 degrees centigrade. That's gas mark 4 or 160 degrees if you have a fan oven. You then need to lightly flour your work surface and take your cookie dough out of the fridge and place it on the flour. You then need to take your rolling pin and roll out your cookie dough until it is 1 centimetre thin. Then you need to take your Christmas cutters, or just use a circular cutter, cut them out and place them on a baking sheet. Once you've cut them out and put them on your baking tray, pop them in the oven for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you need to take them out of the oven when the edges have gone golden brown and leave them to cool completely.